Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit T Rex 2 and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zep application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue. And now we can open the Zep application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Of course, you need to have the internet connection on the phone, so you can download the applications. So let's open the Zep application. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon, select your Amazfit T Rex 2 from the list of devices. And on this page, you should see the App Store option. Tap on it. And here we have the list of applications we can install on our watch. Find the application you want to install, then tap on the install button next to it. For example, QR code viewer. Let's install it. And once the application is done installing, you can wake up the screen on your watch, open the app menu by swiping left on the screen, and once you scroll down through the menu, you should see the application right here on the list. You can tap on the icon to open it, like this. Okay. So that's how you install the applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.